To emulate my product, which was honey, I have chosen to do the beesting cake. The beesting cake is created using the following ingredients. The first thing we need to do is add the honey and the milk and the yeast. We set that aside for about 5 minutes just to allow the yeast to activate. While we have that yeast mixture set aside, we're going to get our other ingredients ready for the dough. We're going to mix our salt, flour and butter together, and we're going to get our dough hooks in our upright mixer, and when that dough is ready we're going to mix that all together, and we're going to slowly mix that until it creates a dough. Once that dough is formed, we're going to bring it out onto the bench with some flour, and we're going to knead that for a little bit. We're going to then spread the almond and honey glaze over the dough, and we're going to cover that with some plastic and sit it aside in a warm place just waiting for that to rise. While our dough is rising, we're going to get our custard filling ready. So we're going to mix our corn flour, salt and sugar together, and we're going to add some egg yolks to the mixture, and we're just going to mix that all up. After that, we're going to get our milk and we're going to put that on the stove and add some honey. We're going to bring that to the boil, and once that is to the boil, we're going to slowly incorporate that mixture into our egg yolk mixture. We're going to mix that, keep whisking that until it turns into a thick custard. Once the thick custard is done, we're going to sit that aside. Once our dough mixture has rose about twice its size, that's when we're going to put it in the oven. We're going to put it in the oven until it's cooked, and then when it comes out, we're going to cut it in half, and we're going to add our mixtures together, and then the cake is complete. And now we just have to clean up and enjoy our cake.